Innoclair, a small sewage treatment plant, easy to install and odour-free. Innoclair was founded in France in 2014. Its ambition is to offer individual sewage treatment solutions that are innovative and efficient.
When we designed the product range, we didn't design it using the criteria of the past, but rather for what is thought will be important in the future.
These are the various sewage treatment plants offered by Innoclair, depending on household size. This new generation range differs from products currently on the market.
The basic difference in the operation of our system compared with others is that we don't have a wastewater septic tank input. Our plants are separated into two compartments. The first compartment receives all the wastewater from the dwelling. There is an air diffuser placed at the bottom of this basin.
This air diffuser is the key to preventing the creation of heavy greenhouse gases that cause bad smells. Then, in the second basin, there is the clarifier and the decanter. This enables the water to be treated effectively before being discharged into the environment.
The two systems make it possible to have a very good quality discharge, particularly for ammonia, in addition to other criteria required by the regulations.
The Innoclair device is revolutionary. It is based on original patents, which make the installation and the operation of the system secure. The tank can be installed easily and quickly on many types of land, even the most extreme, such as flood zones or where snowfall is heavy.
What also influenced my choice is that there is no need for a pipe which goes up to the gable of the house. I found this to be a big additional advantage.
Finally, Innoclair guarantees that treated wastewater can be discharged into the environment. In fact, you are guaranteed a clean, clear, odour-free discharge. And you can also make savings by reusing the water.
We now have a product that is really simple to install. No concrete and no straps in the vast majority of cases.
It is put into service just after installation, enabling you to enjoy your garden and your small treatment plant. Are you interested in our products? Innoclair teams are available to advise you and guide you in the use of our new generation small treatment plant.